Good morning. I appreciate you tuning in. I got the coffee. Started the day off right. And yeah, it's been a little while. It's been quite a while since I've been on camera again on my channel here on the I Am Ransom channel, I Am Ransom vlog. So I thought before I got my day started, I would just tune in to or focus in on making a video, keeping myself accountable, putting it down. And yeah, so I had said earlier, the last time I was on, I believe it was the last time I was on camera, that I would share, my monetization journey. So this is 30 days in, a little bit over 30 days, I think about 33 days, 34 days, since the monetization has kicked in and started tracking on videos. And if my numbers are right, I have just over 13,000 views on the movies that I've been uploading over that time. I have about 3 or 4 videos of being on camera, and I'll talk about the money here in just a minute. But ultimately what I wanted to do is just get on camera and talk about how, I never thought about YouTube, about me being on YouTube and making money. We have thought about YouTube for a long time, and I knew that the people who put a lot of time and effort and quality and get their their time in, create enough money to kind of subsidize, and take over a portion of their life, or maybe all of their life if they're full-time bloggers or creators of any kind. I've always seen that over the years when I've looked at YouTube and thought it's very interesting. And I'll tell you, a lot of the friends that I have that produce video production outside of a normal, creator platform like YouTube or any kind of social media, we all tend to wait for the checks to come in, or wait for the opportunities, I should say, to come in order to create. For myself personally, I live in such a small town that I pretty much had to create my productions over the years from scratch. So I find a platform like television, streaming, cable, nationally, internationally, and basically I put contracts in place to in advance beforehand. So like we produce television shows where we will go get either sponsors or a budget. We'll get our distribution plan and contracts lined out, and then we'll head down the road with production on our own dime, on our own budget, our own money, and make that happen. And with YouTube, obviously it's a totally different ballgame, because as you know, if you're a creator or if you're a viewer, a lot of people have to start off, super humble and, like this, obviously just talking to the camera, and then maybe they reinvest that money and produce a little bit more. The camera's shaking in the wind. But yeah, long story short, I just wanted to put something down and put it down effectively to say the reason I talk about money a lot and have in the past is because my whole world, literally, I've been an independent creator for 25 years, since I was just 3 years old. Just kidding. It's a bad joke, but got to keep telling it. Maybe one day I'll tell it right and it'll be funny. But anyways, yeah, so I've been an independent creator, pretty much a video production, for 25 years. And that being said, I've had a lot of, opportunities, a lot of TV stations I've worked with, a lot of cable, streaming. We've worked with, obviously, hundreds of independent contracts and as a contractor to produce for other people, their vision. And then we've produced about 20 films under our company, under our label. And we've done a lot of just other little projects, TV shows, hundreds of episodes of television that we've produced ourselves and put out there into the world. And, some of those projects we've shared a little bit here on the channel, and I'll hope to share more in the future. But that's why I talk about money, because for video, for me, video production has been my living, and creating has been my living. Just now, and I know, seems a little like, hey bro, where have you been? YouTube, just now on YouTube, I think what it is when you start watching people that do YouTube videos, you think, everybody thinks, oh, well, they're doing such a great job, or they're having so much fun. But then I look at it and I say, well, and I've talked myself out of in the past, you can't go and just do YouTube and just jump in full feed and start doing production, 8, 10, 12-hour days and with no money. And the truth is, that is exactly right. You cannot do that. So it is definitely a kind of a part-timer's game when you first start. So, but I'm not going to stop creating. And even if YouTube is just the place where I come to create, to express myself, to put that production together that I wanted to do, that I don't have necessarily a sponsor or budgets or money, that's fine, because I'm just going to be creating. And that's been something that I've kind of stressed when I do get on camera. Just keep creating, just keep doing that, because that's a flow. It's a creative flow. It's a rewarding flow of, here's something I have in my mind, here's something I put on paper, here's something we've, put out into the world, and very much inspired by other vloggers, by other people who have done it, who went down the road and made it a priority to stay consistent, to stay relevant, and to just do what they want to do, just create. So yeah, so there it is. So real quick, I'm going to wrap this up because I got to go take care of some stuff in the non-video world. The money that was made over the first like 32, 33 days with those video numbers that I told you, it was about $117. So obviously not going to be quitting my day job, which my job is video. But long story short, yeah, I mean, it's decent. I mean, it's a cool little thing. Obviously there's been people that have performed a lot more than that. There's maybe people that have not made that much in their first 30 days of monetization, but for me, it's not a huge amount of money, but it's really the reward of just continuing and to continue producing and creating and coming up with concepts and fun things that I think people would enjoy, that I'm going to enjoy, that the people working with me are going to enjoy. So if nothing else, this has been a long-winded one. I'm looking at 8 minutes here. So I'm going to go ahead and say thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And just keep your eyes open, because we're going to be doing some stuff. As soon as I get some real free time, I plan to roll out a couple of cool things. Oh, and we do have a documentary actually that we shot, like I had mentioned in the last video, I believe. We're probably going to roll that out here. I want to say, let's just say within the next 5 to 7 days from today. So if you'll look for that, and we'll put it on Premiere so you can kind of see it. But I appreciate your support, appreciate your help, and I hope you keep creating, and I hope you enjoy some coffee today, if you will, and totally unedited video. Stumbling over my words, but it just came to my heart today, man, I just need to put a video down. So I'm doing it. Have a great day, and I appreciate you so much.